Hey Alexa, it's time for bed.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. I'm so glad to have you here. Today you are going to be seeing my weekly nighttime routine. I'm going to be taking you into my self-care routine. You'll see my skincare. Also, I'm going to be whitening my teeth with White with Style. They are sponsoring today's video, and they do have a coupon code for you guys, which you can get the whitening kit for $30, which is such a great deal. So stay tuned if you want to see how I get my teeth whitened for spring.
You're far away, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you.
Our weeknights tend to look a little bit different depending on the night. My husband and myself both work for ourselves, so our schedules are always changing and very different from each other. But this specific night, we picked up our daughter. My parents watch her 3 times a week, which is so helpful, and we generally pick her up around 5:30. Once we got home, Kenzie just played around for a while, and I wanted to get some cleaning done because my house was a disaster. So I just started with the living room and kind of worked my way from there. I am a huge fan of diffusing essential oils. I love the way it fills up my house and makes it smell amazing. My 2 favorite scents right now are lemongrass and peppermint together. Seriously, I get compliments on this scent all the time when people come over. It smells so good.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
I like to wash our sheets once a week, and I prefer doing it around bedtime because I love that feeling of getting into a warm, clean bed. Also, I hope I'm not the only one whose nightstand gets so messy. I don't know how this happens. Actually, I do know how this happens. My toddler loves to eat snacks and then leaves all of the peels to whatever she's eating, bananas, oranges, on my nightstand. So that's mom life for you. But I'm going in, cleaning off everything, spraying it down with my favorite scent, geranium. Since I was getting it all wiped down, I thought I would share with you guys what I generally keep on my nightstand. First, I needed a new extension cord because it drives me crazy that I never have enough plugins. I swear I'm always needing more. So I got this power strip from the Dollar Tree and that came in so handy. Also, I got this new charger for my phone. All I have to do is set it on there every night. You don't have to plug it in or anything, and it's just really convenient. Next thing I keep on my nightstand is this lavender pillow spray. I love spraying it on my pillows right before bed, especially someone that deals with anxiety. Scents really help me, especially at night, so this really calms me. Lately, I've been keeping this mask on my nightstand. This is my favorite mask of all time. I swear by it. I try and get everyone hooked on it because I love it. And every morning, I swear it leaves my skin so soft and glowing. Next, I just DIY'd my own lip balm and I love it so much. All it is essential oils and Vaseline, nothing crazy. People are spending so much money on these lip masks. I personally think Vaseline works just as good. I have used all of them and I swear by Vaseline. Most nights I'm editing, so I'm always burning a candle. I have this one right now on my nightstand, which is the peony petals, and I got it at HomeGoods. And the last thing I keep on my nightstand is water. I'm always reaching for this, and it definitely doesn't hurt to have it in a cute cup. Just got this tumbler, and I love it. It was from my local grocery store called Fred Meyer. If you guys live in Washington, they are on sale right now. Now that my nightstand is all cleaned and ready to go, it is time for Kenzie's bath. We generally give her a bath every other night, depending on the week, but she loves this time. I honestly really love this time with her too. She just is so happy, and it's really cute watching her play.
Hi.
Who is that?
Kristoff.
What's his name?
Kristoff.
From where?
For the movie.
What movie?
The movie shop.
What's the movie called?
Frozen.
Frozen?
Yeah, and Arendelle.
Arendelle? Is that your favorite?
No.
Who's your favorite person?
Anna's favorite.
Anna's your favorite? I thought Olaf was.
Olaf was.
How many do you get?
3.
No. Okay, you can get 3. There's 3. Let me see. That's not 3. Kenzie. That's not 3. How many is that? Okay, let's see. Oh, that's still not 3. You gotta put 2 more back. Put 2 back. Okay. As you just saw her getting candy, the reason why is because she is potty trained. She is in pull-ups right now, but I am so freaking proud of her, you guys. She did it so fast. It only took her 2 days, and now she goes every time she needs to go to the bathroom, and it's just really, really exciting.
Alexa, turn on music.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever.
Before Kenzie's bedtime, we all snuggled on the couch together, put on one of her movies, which that night was The Incredibles. She loves that movie. And me and James were watching TikToks per usual. We are obsessed with it right now. And it's really fun to show each other different videos and just laugh together.
Lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
We try to put Kenzie to sleep around 7:30 or 8 p.m. depending on the night. She tries to push it, especially if she had a nap that day. It takes a little bit longer to get her tucked into bed. This night was super cute watching her get her animals tucked into bed. She gives them kisses and makes sure everyone is comfy. And then we do read her a story. This night we read Plant a Kiss, which is a really cute book. She loves it. And we end the routine with giving her lots of love and kisses. And we do pray for her every night. She will not go to bed unless we pray for her. It is really sweet. And this is probably one of my favorite parts of the entire day.
Turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line. You pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright.
After Kenzie's tucked away into bed, I do dedicate some time for myself, and self-care is super important to me. I love washing my face at the end of the night, brushing my teeth. It's really therapeutic for me and calms me down. There are so many stresses in everyday life. I like taking these moments to just not think about anything, worry about myself, and just enjoy the silence. My nighttime skincare routine changes quite frequently since I'm always trying out new products, but right now I've been really loving the routine I'm in. I just started using castor oil from Amazon a few weeks ago. I have been really loving it. If you need a good alternative from those expensive lash serums, this is a good option for you. I have already noticed a difference, and it's just been a few weeks, and it really does help to grow, lengthen, and make your lashes look a lot more full.
Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright.
I also love taking some time to whiten my teeth. Tonight I am using a new brand. It is called White with Style, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. First, I started by getting all of this stuff out of the packaging. I love that it came super nicely packaged, there was no fuss, and it was easy to understand the directions. It came with everything you need, and they're doing a deal right now where you can get this whole set for $30 with my coupon code, which is kind of crazy because I think the original price is around $200 and something. So this is definitely a good time to get it. First, you brush your teeth, and then you take your mouthpieces and the syringe. All you need is a few drops inside. You don't want to put too much because your gums are really sensitive. Then you just put them in, and all you have to do is leave them in there for 20 to 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the max, and you take this really fun blue light, which is kind of like a dance party in itself. I love that this doesn't take a lot of effort. All I have to do is lay in bed, watch some TikToks while my teeth get white and looking good for spring and summer. Once the time is up, all you have to do is wash out your mouth and you are good to go. If you guys are interested in trying this, I will leave my coupon code on the screen and then also in the description box. There will be links to everything in case you want to try it out. Once my skincare routine was done, I was able to get some editing and a few things done around the house. It is now midnight and I am tired. Once I got tucked into bed, I do browse my phone for a little bit. It was probably TikTok again, making me laugh. And that was everything for our nighttime routine video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Good night.